Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video, I just want to explain example 1 of set 2 IGCSE, and we are looking everything from page 87 today. And there's a question posed to us, and we are told that there are 80 students studying either French, Italian, or Spanish in a college. So 80. 7 study all the 3 languages. 15 study French and Italian. 26 study French and Spanish. And 17 study Italian and Spanish. You know, it's sometimes it's very difficult to comprehend that information and especially when you're in an exam room. So it is important to break down those details into short statement. Let's say um, um, 80 total students. Let's just break it up. And we are also told that 7 study all, and then something else. 15 French and Italian. 15 French and Italian. And then we get to understand 26 French and Spanish. 26 French and Spanish. And 17, we have 17 people studying Italian and Spanish. Italian and Spanish. And we also told generally that 43 in total study French and 52 study Spanish. And the first question is, draw a Venn diagram to show the information. First of all, what is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram is a diagram that contains all the sets in a universal container. Universal set means we have every kind of information captured in a universal set. We have people who are doing Spanish. Let's bring them there. We have people who are doing Italian. Let us bring them there. We have people who are doing Spanish. Let us bring them there. The reason why we have to bring up this intersection is because we are getting students studying at 2 languages at a time. In fact, we have 7 of them studying all the 3 languages at a time. In that college, we have 7. Now, the intersection region, this region that we have indicated 7, is a region that captures French, Italian, and Spanish. So it is the intersection of the 3 languages. And we are done with that particular section. What we need to know is we get to understand every piece of this information as we substitute it and interpret it in the Venn diagram. This is now the Venn diagram that is now showing our universal members. Everything discussed in this question is in the universal set. Let's go down to this statement. 15 are doing French and Italian. French and Italian, 15 of them. But you can already see the intersection of French and Italian is that way. And one thing we should have is 15 students should actually be occupying that region of French and Italian. Incidentally, among the 15, we already have the 7 that are doing not just French and Italian and also Spanish, but we have a French Italian intersection should actually contain 15 members. So what's remaining is this part. We have 7 doing the 3, but these 7 are also doing French and Italian. That means How many students are doing French and Italian and not Spanish? They should appear here. And because in total 15 should study French and Italian, we have 8 there. You have now that intersection containing 15. We should not really care so much about the 7 who are also doing Spanish. The fact is they are doing French and they are doing Italian. That statement has been captured. 26 are doing French and Spanish. Now it's easy. French and Spanish, 26. Among the 26, we already have 7. So we are going to have 19 there who are doing purely French and Spanish. Okay, that is gone. 17, Italian and Spanish. Italian and Spanish. Within the 17, we already have 7. So we have 10 there. That is taken care of. 43 are doing French. So in total, the people who are doing French should be 43. Already, we have captured 19 plus 7, that is 26, plus 8, that is 34, and we need 43 in total. So 43 minus 34 is 9. So 9 is the number of students that are only doing French and no other language. Spanish, we have 52 doing Spanish. We have 52 doing Spanish. So out of 52, we have already captured 19 plus 10, 29, plus 7, that is 29, 36. 36 out of 52, we have now 16 who are doing Spanish only. So the question is here. We have represented that information in the Venn diagram. And the question part B is talking about how many study only Italians. So remember, we have a total of 80 students in that college. And each one of them has to be doing something. We have already distributed all these 16, 10, 7, 8, 19, and 9. We have distributed all this. So 16 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus 19 plus 9. We have already distributed 69 students. 69 students. And if we have already 69 students, what we need to distribute now is 11 students. So 80 minus the 69, we have 11 students. And because our Venn diagram is filled up to this extent, we have all those who are doing French, we have captured them. We have all those who are doing Spanish, we have captured them. We have all those who are doing at least 2 subjects, French and Spanish, French and Italian. We have those who are doing French and Spanish. We have those who are doing Spanish and Italian. And we have 7 who are doing all the 3. So 11 must be doing Italian alone. So that answers our part B of the question. So as there are 80 students, the numbers must all add up to. So if we put X there, then everything else here, 9 plus 8 plus 19 plus 7 plus 10 plus 16 plus X, we should get 80 students because no students is in school for any other business apart from learning. So 11 are only doing Italians. We're going to discuss further on this, but for now, just understand that and watch and rewatch. Subscribe, and of course, tag me if you have any problem. All right.